What is functional restoration? It's a term that is focused on getting you to the place that allows you to be able to do the things that you want to be able to do. It's a term that was coined in the 1980s that looked at how to be able to have the body be as natural as possible in a traditional functional state. How can you use different therapies or modalities to be able to do things like walk further, be able to bend and squat, pick up things. And traditionally, it was used in the concept of physical therapy. The reason why we focus on functional restoration is because that is most closely connected and related to being able to lead a life that you want to lead, to be able to live the life you deserve. So functional restoration uses different techniques like regenerative medicine, like minimally invasive procedures or other therapies to be able to bring that body back to its natural state as close as possible so you can be able to do the things that you could do and be able to do them again right now.